Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be selecting the random winner from the March Born Pretty nail polishes giveaway. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video and hopefully continue to support while I have more giveaways in the upcoming months. So again, I will use a random comment picker from my website and I'll select 3 winners. I will go down each winner. If I can't find the first one, I'll go to the second one and so on. And when you're selected, make sure you check your email from me so that I can get in contact with you to get your location details so I can mail you the package. And again, it's gonna be the 5 polishes. I've tested it in the March giveaway video. I've never used that on actual hands, only for the swatching purposes. And I will also include other nail items that will be a mystery surprise that you could use for whatever you want, and everything is unused. So let's get started on the random picker. Okay, so the winner is Cami H. That's the first winner. It says, "Hi Gina, great video. Thanks for organizing a giveaway. My favorite is Nude Gel 54133. Okay, congrats, Cami. So, and then a next one. Jess Wong. Her favorite color is BWH90. Can't go wrong with Ballet Barbie Pink. It's so pigmented. Now, third one. Aurela L. Jade Green is her favorite. Okay, so here we go. We have our 3 winners. So I will get into contact with Cami H and see if I can send her a package. And if Cami can't be contacted, I'll go to Jess. And then if Jess cannot be contacted, I'll go to Aurela. So thank you for watching and thank you for the support. Please continue to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.